Hi, everyone. Let me show you how this trainer kit works. To begin, open up the suitcase containing the trainer kit. Turn on the power supply by plugging it into the wall socket. Then, connect the USB cable between the laptop and the PLC. Now, open the CX1 Omron software on the laptop. Ensure that the software has been installed on the laptop beforehand. Create the ladder diagram using the CX1 software and download it to the PLC through the USB cable. After the program has been successfully downloaded to the PLC, press the Start Push button. Switch on the compressor to generate compressed air. The compressed air will be stored in the mini tank. Press the valve on the mini tank to release the stored compressed air to the cylinder. The cylinders are moving according to the program sequence. You can hear the compressor working as it builds up air pressure to meet the required levels.
In this video, you can see the compressor compressing air as the cylinders move in and out.